Equivalent point. Equivalent point, early we're talking about the acid in molecule aspect when they neutralize. Now I'm going to study the graph. What is the x-axis? X-axis is say volume of NaOH added. In fact, this is the barrette. The barrette that you're dripping. You drip 5 ml, 10 ml, you drip 15 ml, 20 ml, 25, 30 ml, and so on. That is how much barrette you're dripping. Y-axis. Y-axis, what is y-axis? Y-axis is a pH. What is pH? Concentration of H plus ion in solution. So when you put the whole pipette in, on the conical vase, you will have high concentration of H plus ion. So that is indicated by the pH. Now let's look onto the experiment. Now let's start. In the beginning, you put the pipette full bottle of acid in onto the conical vase. And on the conical vase will straight away show the pH very low, means very high concentration H plus ion, as on top of picture. Then you drip indicator. The indicator will only change color when it turns fully neutralized and becomes slight base. It will indicate. At this stage, acid, they show no change. Then you open up the barrette, you start to drip. Here you drip 5 ml. Now you drip 10 ml. Now you drip 15, 20 ml. Is it fully neutralized yet? No. You continue dripping. Now at this stage, it's still more acid than base. You still have more acid than base, so you still continue drip, but drip very carefully. Now you are in a neutralized situation. You are neutralized now. The H plus should equal to the OH minus. At this stage, now the acid and the base should be fully neutralized. But if you add one more tiny bit of drip of base, continue, that's become more base. And the indicator will show. Then you shut this off, and then you calculate the middle line, and that is the equivalent point. Equivalent point is where the acid and the base, the H plus ion concentration equal to the OH minus ion concentration. That is equivalent point.